Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to do a soft glam type of look. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I did my eyebrows off camera. I just used Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Honestly, if you want something that is gonna last you throughout the night, you know, if you're going over to see your boo or whatever, a long night planned, this is the primer you want. It's gonna keep your eyeshadow popping. Then I actually have some discoloration in my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer on top of the primer. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 25 Medium. I already moisturized my face. Typically, I just use vitamin C serum, but since we're pretty much in winter. We skipped fall. We went straight from summer into winter. My skin is hella fucking dry, so I'm going to be using this Pond Dark Spot Correcting Cream. I love this. It gives my skin so much moisture. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to apply it to my neck. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Rihanna Fenty Beauty primer and also the Urban Decay De-Slick Complex primer. I'm just going to use a little bit of both. My foundation routine hasn't changed. It's pretty much the same in every single tutorial. This Tarte Shape Tape foundation and then Infallible Pro Matte foundation. This is in the shade 107 and the Tarte is in the shade Tan Honey. Moving on to concealer, I'm just going to go back in with that Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. And I'm just going to take a dry beauty blender. I know most people like to go in with a damp beauty blender, but I just feel it literally takes up all the product. And I just prefer using a dry beauty blender. Taking my Morphe M441 brush. This is the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm literally just going to be jumping into this shade right here, Pure, and we're just going to apply this all over our crease. We're gonna go in with the Stella Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Kitten. We're just gonna apply this all over our lid. And I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild eyeliner. I'm not gonna do any wing eyeliner. I'm just gonna quickly outline my eyelid. Taking this Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. We're gonna go back with that Airspun powder. Gonna clean up the bronzer. I'm gonna go in with some blush. I don't normally wear blush, but today I feel like wearing blush, and with this e.l.f. palette, it actually doesn't have a name, but it's this one. Go in with this Forever 21 palette. You guys already know this is my favorite palette. For the rest of my highlight, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild I'll Have a Cosmo. Just applied some to my brush, and then I'm just going to take this setting spray and apply these eyelashes. I'm going to jump back into that Pure shade. I'm just going to put this under lower lash line. I'm going to apply some lower mascara. Outline my lip. I'm going to be using this NYX lip pencil. This is in the shade Natural. This NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Is this it? This is pretty much the finished look. This has been my everyday soft glam look. What I've been wearing lately when I want to look like I tried, but I don't really want to put in the effort. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hello. Turn your post notifications on so that you never miss out on a video. I love you guys so fucking much.